Hey guys, welcome to this Money Control live stream. You're watching Midday Market Mood Check with me, Nandita, Khemka, and my colleague Yatin, Mota. Well, Yatin, it's a stable, steady start to this week. Given the fact that we have policy later in the week, there's a bit of volatility in the markets, but we are holding above that 19,500 mark. In fact, right now we are somewhere close to the high point of the day. If you look at the broader end of the markets, even they are pretty much steady. 1.1% kind of gains coming in there. Pharma as a pack is holding out pretty well. IT and autos doing well. In fact, the Nifty bank index is also turned into the green as of now. But what's not doing well is the FMCG basket. You know, Britannia is a big drag. It was the top Nifty loser, followed by Nestle. So FMCG pack was sulking. Metals as a pack was also not doing well. On the Nifty, we have M&M. That's the top gainer. We'll talk about it in a bit. Divi's Lab, Pharma, Hindalco, Bharti Airtel are some of the other gainers. On the losing end, you have Britannia, Nestle, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Auto and SBI after brokerages have cut target price after numbers. That is among the top losers. Let's talk about M&M. It's the top Nifty gainer. Brokerages are pretty much, they are impressed with the first quarter numbers. They've also said that today in the morning we had the management on CNBC TV 18. They've said that there has been no change in the capital allocation policy. There were concerns after obviously M&M has bought a 3.5% stake in RBL Bank, but they have clarified that there's no change in the capital allocation policy. Even brokerages believe that the free cash flows from the auto and farm business will not be deployed in any other business. So that's one relief. Relief rally that's playing out on M&M. Talking about Britannia, volume growth was expected somewhere around 5%, but it came in flat. That was one major disappointment after numbers, and that is why the stock is under pressure. Cipla is another one. Yatin, the stock was up and about last week, given the fact that there were reports that Blackstone may buy out promoters' stake. But now yesterday there was negative news regarding its Pithampur unit. That USFDA has classified it as official action indicated, which means the Pithampur unit is not out of the woods. There may be more regulatory action there, but company has clarified that they will work with the USFDA to resolve the issue. So all in all, large cap universe, this is what's happening, but lots of mid caps and in the new age tech companies, Yatin, Zomato. Let's start with that.
So Zomato is doing well. The management has given a detailed breakup of the performance, and market is probably cheering the fact that the core food delivery business is doing well. Management commentary has been strong. So on the back of good results and commentary, the stock is doing well. Also doing well is Paytm, and that the new age stock is up 7% after the founders Vijay Shekhar Sharma has decided to buy 10% equity or so from Ant Financial, which is the Alibaba entity. Obviously, this is a non-cash deal, wherein Alibaba would be issued NCDs with respect to the amount of the shares exchanged. Apart from that, we have HFCL and ITI. Both of these telecom equipment and fiber companies are in focus after the government has announced anti-dumping duty on Chinese fiber companies. IRFC, that stock is doing well, 6% up after the Prime Minister has announced some strong plans to upgrade the railway infrastructure, especially the government plans to spend close to 25,000 crores to upgrade railway stations. And most of the funding of the railways is taken care by IRFC. Now, what's not doing well is ABFRL. Stock is down 5% of the weak set of earnings. Obviously, the management expects second half to be good, but in the next quarter there could be some margin pressure. Adani Green, there was a block deal of close to 4,000 crores which happened in the counter, and post that block deal, the stock is down 5%. Also, the likes of Balkrishna Industries, BHEL, as Nandita was mentioning, Britannia, Mankind Pharma, India Cements, all of these stocks are not doing well post weak set of quarterly earnings. In fact, India Cement just reported a quarterly loss, post which the shares have been struggling and are down by nearly 3%.
Right. Yatin, some action in the primary to secondary market also, given the fact that we had Yatharth Hospital listing today, but it was a pretty lukewarm listing given the kind of response that the IPO got. It listed at just 2% premium. So that's
right now it's up 11%.
Okay, so it's
there
picked
is
up.
Some bit of buying which has happened at lower level.
Okay, so that, and we have other issues also coming up, and there are lots of new listings to watch out for. And of course, as I was mentioning, later in the week we have the RBI policy as well. Of course, expectations indications are that 25, in fact, we will hold fire when it comes to interest rates, but the commentary will be watched out for, given that fact that oil prices have come up once again. You have food inflation that's simmering on the back of a surge in tomato prices.
Yeah.
So we will be watching out for the governor's speech in terms of outlook on inflation. But aside of that, I think we've covered all the movers and shakers for as of now. But of course, we'll be back at 3:30 p.m. with all the action post market close, and of course all the stocks that will be on our radar this afternoon. So tune in at that point of time. But for right now, it's a goodbye from me and Yatin. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned to Money Control for all your other news and updates.